You're right in front of Dr. Salim Ali Information Center. Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary is a paradise for bird watchers and nature lovers. It is located 3 kilometres from Srirangapatna and 16 kilometres from Mysore. It is spread over 40 acres in area. It has 6 islands and it is situated on the bank of Kaveri river. About 170 bird species have been recorded here. It is open between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. on all the days. Ranger guided boat tours of the islands are available throughout the day. They are a good way to watch birds, crocodiles, otters, bats, and other animals.
It looks like a statue. See, pelican. I'm catching the crocodile, Amma. I'm taking the video of the crocodile. Ma, you watch the crocodile. Saw that? You're looking at it. See that? There, is it in the water? There, water.
This video gives a glimpse of the beauty of this place. Visit to Ranganathittu is very enjoyable and satisfying. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.